We're taking a look at this Canopy style hood from the Vent-A-Hood manufacturer. It's got a 10-inch wide stack, 14-inch tall body. As we take a look at the unit, we notice it's got LED lighting and blowers that automatically adjust based on temperature. This particular unit is sitting at a depth of 21 inches. It's perfectly suited to go over this drop-in cooktop. We do like to see 1.5 inches of canopy overhang from the front edge of the burner. Here's a look at the Capital Connoisseurian we carry at kitchenfoundry.com. For this pro depth range that extends 28.5 inches into the room, we would steer you over to the Vent-A-Hood EPH18, NEPH18, or SEPH18. These larger hoods can project 24 inches into the kitchen and give you maximum performance when cooking on those front burners. This unit's equipped with their Easy Clean system that involves removing this heat shield to reveal a tray where your grease will liquefy. The duct covers on these units are sold separately. You'll see here they have a removable front panel. That's going to aid you in installation, allow you to tape your ducting joints after the hood is installed on the wall. In the single blower varieties, the manufacturer can make this in a 30, a 36, a 42, and a 48-inch width. That's going to be 300 CFM coming in at 5.4 sones. Notice they're requiring a 6-inch diameter pipe. We can't reduce this pipe in order to get that full 300 CFM. Watch my video Ducting Do's and Don'ts on YouTube for other installation tips. You'll want to use the manufacturer's VP526 for venting to an exterior wall, or the manufacturer's VP539 or VP539HP roof caps, depending on your roof pitch. Notice the mounting elevation of this hood. You have 24 inches of space between the top of the burners and the bottom edge of the hood. And the manufacturer has 3 different production duct covers: WDC R&D 1010 for a 7-foot ceiling, WDC R&D 1022 for an 8-foot ceiling, WDC R&D 1034 for a 9-foot ceiling. Reach out to kitchenfoundry.com if you want a quote on a custom duct cover that can give you extra elevation. We do think it works best at this 24 inches, but we can custom make a duct cover for your installation. Moving over to the double blower variety, 600 CFM, 6.5 zone level. They make this in a 36-inch width, a 42-inch width, and a 48-inch width. This one's going to require an 8-inch diameter pipe. You can use the manufacturer's VP528 wall louver to go to an exterior wall, or one of their 2 roof caps, depending on your roof pitch, VP541 or VP541HP. We have these 3 duct covers that are production. If you decide to hang this hood at 30 inches of elevation, you can purchase the WDC R&D 1016 from kitchenfoundry.com.